Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are visiting a charming little animal farm just outside the town, about 1 hour and 30 minutes from Toronto. We are at the Erin Hill Acres, located at the town of Erin, and this is a Saturday in the summer in the month of June, so obviously a perfect weather to chill and mingle with some cute farm animals, especially the cutest Highland cows. As you can see, these cows are really cute with lots of fur. They're actually young and playful, so we have to be careful when we pet them. They have big horns and they like to play with them too. Wagon rides are available from time to time. You can just hop on and enjoy a ride around the fields, and of course there's a guide who explains the surroundings. Not only Highland cows, but there are some beautiful goats, sheep, hens and ducks, so we had a great time in this farm. This guy is special to me. I really like reindeers. This one is still young, but just look at those beautiful antlers. These are rescued babies and they can grow up to 6 feet tall. You see, it's his lunch time and we had our lunch there too. Freshly baked wood fire pizza, it's delicious, and loved the picnic area where they play live music on weekends. Here's for you to enjoy some of the music.
Very nice. That's a class man.
Well, a stuffed Highland cow from their souvenir shop. And hey, we really enjoyed the ride there too. Look at this beautiful countryside, and it's not even that far from the city. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.